Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to the second lecture of Zoom online classes. Dear students, in the previous lecture we learnt about the brain, its structure and the function of the different parts of the brain. Hope you understood that lecture. In today's lecture we are going to learn about the small cells of the nervous system or the small cells of the brain from which the brain is made and the spinal cord is made. They are called the neurons or the nerve cells. ठीक है? Neurons or nerve cells, they are the kind of the cells when you look at it under the microscope, so they will appear just like this. This part is called the dendrite, this part, elongated part, is called the axon, and this is that part of the nerve or the neuron which is connected to any part of the body. This round part is called the nucleus, right? Each and every neuron's structure is almost very much similar to it, depending upon कि इसका जो size होता है axon का, it might extend कि आपका brain किस हिस्से के साथ connected है. If it is connected with your legs portion, then definitely the axon will be longer. If it is connected to your sensory organs like your eyes, तो ये axon छोटा होगा. ठीक है? Okay, now the nerves or the neurons, the nerves, they are the telephone wires, just like the telephone wires. Telephone wires, they form a network, and as the telephone wires connect one person to another person, similarly the nerves serve as a linkage and they connect your brain to the rest of the parts of the body. Link का मतलब होता है joining. ठीक है, this linkage or this joining to the brain and the brain to the rest of the parts of the body is brought about by the nerves. Nerves are made up of very small cells called nerve cells or neurons. Types of nerves. There are two types of nerves depending upon what function they are performing. One is called the sensory nerves, another one is called the motor nerves. There are two types of nerves, sensory nerves and motor nerves. Let's talk about the sensory nerves. Sensory, as you can see, this name sensory has been derived from the word senses. Senses means sensation, जिसको आप महसूस कर सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं. Sensation is one of the properties of the living organisms. तमाम जानदारों में ये एक खसूसियत होती है, ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती है और उसको sensation कहते हैं. These sensations can be felt with the help of different organs. They are called the sensory organs. ये आपके पास 5 senses हैं, ठीक है? And these 5 senses are the sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of taste, sense of touch and sense of smell. Sense of sight, देखने का की जो हिस्स होती है, sensation होती है, it is detected by eyes. Hearing, सुनना, it is detected by ears. Tasting, it is detected by this one of the sensory organ which is called the tongue, and touch is detected by your skin. Smell is detected by your nose. So, these sensory nerves are those nerves which send the signals from the sense organs. Sense organs जो अभी आपको बताए, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. इन तमाम के तमाम सेंस ऑर्गन्स को, ये 5 सेंस ऑर्गन से सिग्नल्स ले जाके आपके ब्रेन तक पहुंचाते हैं. एंड देन द ब्रेन लेट्स यू नो व्हाट यू आर सीइंग, व्हाट यू आर hearing, what kind of food you are tasting, what kind of thing you are touching, and what kind of a substance you are smelling, whether it is smelling good or whether it is smelling bad. The second type of nerves are called the motor nerves. ठीक है, motor nerves. Motor nerves are associated with the movement of the body. आपको पता है कि आपके बॉडी के अंदर जो मूवमेंट होती है वो कौन से ऑर्गन्स की वजह से होती है? Yes, it's because of your bones and your muscles. This movement of the muscles is brought about by the motor nerves. You can see this diagram. This is the diagram of a motor nerve. Motor nerve आपके signals को brain से ले जाके और spinal cord से ले जाके आपके muscles और glands तक पहुंचाते हैं. and only then your muscles are able to move. You are able to walk, you are able to jump, you are able to do gymnastic or exercise or whatever kind of a physical activity you want to do. It's all brought about by the motor nerves. What are motor nerves? These are the nerves which send the signals from the brain and spinal cord and send it to the muscles and the glands. Glands जो होते हैं, these are also the organs. ये भी organs होते हैं, लेकिन इनका मेन काम ये होता है that they secrete a particular kind of chemical which is called the hormones. Hormones are those chemicals which are spread throughout your body and they perform different functions, right? Together the nerves, the different types of nerves, sensory nerves, motor nerves, brain and spinal cord, they form a system in the body of any animal, human being, and that system is called the nervous system. What is a nervous system? Nervous system is made up of nerves, brain and spinal cord. And what is the function of a nervous system? The main function of nervous system is that it sends the signals from the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the parts of the body, and then it makes you able to do any sort of activity. The next topic is the reflex action. What is a reflex action? It's an automatic and fast movement in response to a stimulus not requiring mental processing. ये ऐसा ऑटोमेटिक रिस्पॉन्स होता है आपका किसी भी एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर जो कुछ भी हो रहा होता है तो जिसमें आपका ब्रेन इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता. मेंटल प्रोसेसिंग का मतलब होता है ब्रेन का ना इन्वॉल्व होना. तो जिसमें ब्रेन का इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता वो ऑटोमेटिक और फास्ट मूवमेंट जो होती है वो रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन कहलाती है. जैसे if a light is suddenly, some very intense light is put on your eyes, then suddenly your pupil shrinks in size. आपके आँख के अंदर जो pupil होता है या पुतला होता है उसका साइज छोटा हो जाता है. All this is brought about within a fraction of second and this is because of the intense light. ये light basically stimulus का काम करती है जिसकी वजह से आपका कोई भी organ, ये sensory organ का part pupil size में छोटा हो जाता है. जर्की विड्रॉल ऑफ हैंड एंड लेग मतलब कि अगर आपका पाँव किसी भी पॉइंटेड टिप पे या पिन पे आ जाता है तो आप फ़ौरन ही उसको विड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, पीछे की तरफ खींच लेते हैं. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. ये बहुत फास्ट होता है, विद इन अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड होता है एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. ब्लिंकिंग ऑफ द आइज़, आपकी आँख का झपकाना, चाहे कोई बाहर से कोई स्टिमुलस उसको प्रोवाइड हो या कोई डस्ट हो या ना हो, आप अपनी आंखें झपकाते हैं एंड ऑल दिस इज़ डन वेरी फास्ट, राइट. तो ये ब्लिंकिंग ऑफ आइज इट इज़ ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. कफिंग, स्नीजिंग, आप खांसते हैं, आपको छींक आ जाती है, तो ये एक ऑटोमेटिक इनवॉलंटरी एक्शन होता है. इस एक्शन को भी रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन कहते हैं. ये तमाम रिफ्लेक्स एक्शंस जो होते हैं ये बड़े फास्ट होते हैं. इसकी मेन वजह ये होती है दैट ऑल दीज आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय योर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और ब्रेन स्टेम. ब्रेन स्टेम जो आपका मेड्यूला होता है तो ये इसके साथ कनेक्टेड होते हैं और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और मेड्यूला जो होते हैं तो ये आपके इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस को कंट्रोल करते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई दीज फंक्शंस, दीज रिफ्लेक्स एक्शंस आर वेरी फास्ट. That's all for today's lecture, dear students. Hope you like it. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care.